Welcome to Custer State Park in South Dakota. We travel full-time in our 99 Astro van, and this was an unplanned side quest that turned into us staying for 7 days. We did a lot of fishing, bison watching, hiking, and exploring. First, we'll start with the drive into the park on the Needles Highway. Thanks for watching.
Hello, we're on the Sunday Gulch Trail in Custer State Park. It's dog friendly, so Karma's tagging along. And this is what we're going to be entering.
You look very greasy.
It's steep. Man, this is steep.
That is steep.
It rained last night, so this is all pretty slick. We have more to go. Hopefully the up on the other side won't be as bad as this.
There's a big trout.
It's huge. Yeah, look at this thing. It's huge. Wow. And Karma's just standing near it. So after we bought these shorts, we were in the pouring rain and ran out. Discovered that when they're wet, they have a cool pattern.
Pretty nifty.
Whoa, a cave.
Actually pretty cool.
Wow.
Seems like someone had a fire in it one time, maybe.
Wow.
It goes in pretty far.
Whoa, it goes down there. Ew, you can't see. It's so spooky.
Helicopter.
Helicopter. This is super cool.
It is super cool.
Karma, how do you rate this hike so far? She's like, well, 4 treats out of 4 treats because that's all I've gotten.
That's all I've got.
Alright, we've been hiking for, I think, an hour and a half. And we're finally starting to go uphill.
Yeah.
And I'm starving.
Time to refuel.
So I brought a sugar-free body armor, some apples, there's 4 of them, and the best thing ever, squeezy peanut butter. Oh, you want peanut butter? I bet you do. Raptors? Oh, big birds. Did you bring a knife?
I brought my fast bag.
There you go, Karma. I dropped some.
Oh, yay.
Yay! Ah, oh, that one's saved. It's a really wide wrap.
That's okay.
This is Kerm's lunch.
Karma?
Kerm here.
I actually chewed it.
No, she didn't. She just swallowed the whole thing. Wow. Come on, here. Easy. You nibble. Nibble. Like corn. You remember corn on the cob? It was really good. I'm out of breath. So, we messed up on which way to go on the sloop trail. I just looked at the map and What we just hiked down into this wasn't even comparable to what we're going to be hiking up.
Heck yeah.
Doing it the hard way. So, yeah, it's going to be rugged. And we'll see if my lungs are working.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Just found the survey marker for this trail. Should have had a piece of paper and a pencil.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, to shade over it. That's pretty. And then there's, you know, power lines and those. But this rock's pretty cool. Also, the funny thing is, the road's right there. I could just hop over there and hitchhike.
You could.
I won't do it.
I think it's just this one section that we're near the road.
Yeah, probably. And I think we have to go all the way up there. That's fun. So it hasn't been as bad as we thought.
No, we totally did the right way.
Yeah.
Once you get up to the top of like up there, it's just all downhill, and it really wasn't that bad of a uphill.
No, it's not bad.
Yeah, I'd much rather walk down the slippery rocks than up them.
That's true.
So.
True that. All right, let's go. That's cool.
That is cool.
So every one of these thingies, I don't know the name of them, they're just big peens.
Pretty much.
That's pretty much the greatest of the peens right there. We made it back to the van. Karma's right behind me.
She's a little tired.
She went swimming on the way back. Oh, I know. But yeah, she went swimming in the lake on the way back, and now I'm making coffee because it's only 2:30 in the afternoon and I could go to bed. But we're not going to let ourselves take a nap because there's too much to see.
And I just love coffee.
It's true, and now I'm a coffee addict. Welcome to the club.
Welcome to the club.
We just had, ooh, I just knocked it over. We had some chips and sour cream and really spicy guac. They're really good.
Good to balance it out.
And then making some coffee. Make it with our tea kettle. I think it's done. And then Mike puts sugar in, but I put maple syrup and
I like maple syrup, but
extra creamy oat milk.
Mattea only drinks it with.
Yeah, there's only a little bit left, so I swapped him to sugar because I don't really like sugar. Okay, this is how I do it. Maple syrup first. Oh my god, I'm just like so weak. Karma! God, you just stick that on the back of my neck. Anyways. Oh no, we're almost out. Ooh, that's strong. Wow. Now we are leaving the state park and we're in Forest Service land.
Our favorite.
Our favorite kind of land. I'm tired. So we're gonna find a place for the night and continue for tomorrow because it's 58 degrees here.
Yeah.
And I was gonna get the paddleboard out, but I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah. If it's less windy tomorrow, I might buy a fishing license and try my luck at catching some brown trout.
You can keep 5 of them, so we can eat them. Oh, that sounds just Karma's harness drying off.
Yeah. We're just cruising at a nice 25. Because who needs to go fast?
It's true. We're gonna check this road out. There's a spot like right there we could go. I think that's the higher one.
Try it.
Yeah. You're still in first, by the way.
It's good for climbing hills like that.
Actually pretty nice up here.
It is.
That there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, what a view.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Oh, nice.
Should I back in?
Yeah. Okay, never mind. We're leaving. because we're supposed to get quite a bit of rain tonight until 9 a.m. tomorrow. We don't want to be stuck up here because this is kind of a downhill mud mess, I imagine, when it's wet.
Yeah,
and there's some big ruts.
You gotta like pick your line, kind of.
It is beautiful.
And we don't really know if it's public or not.
What is that? There's a pill bottle strapped to a tree or to a stake right there.
Might be a geocache.
Well, maybe.
It kind of looks like it gets greasy.
Yeah, it probably does get greasy.
Welcome to dinner.
This is our new spot. It's really nice. Some ATVs go by, but no biggie. This is Karma's little dog bed yoga mat. But we're having tacos for dinner. So we did ground turkey, regular seasoning, and then Mike made this like Mexican slaw thing. Really, really good.
Coleslaw, corn, jalapeno, mayo, paprika, cumin, and salt and pepper with lime juice.
No sour cream?
No.
Really?
I didn't add it this time.
Okay, here's the first bite. Really good.
Yeah.
Yum. We could have our own little like taco trailer.
Yeah. A toe behind.
Mm-hmm.
We serve hot dogs and tacos.
This lighting's awful, so ignore this. Oh, that's much better. Or this is better. We're in bed now. It's 58 degrees in the fan, and it's pouring rain outside. But we're gonna go to bed. Tomorrow is gonna be gorgeous.
Yeah.
With rain. But it's fine. Okay.
More
Bye.
rain means less forest fires.
Good night.
Good night.
Good morning. We got woken up by hail.
Small.
And it's 47 degrees out. So we're having a late start. But we're gonna go through the wildlife loop road in hopes that we see some bison.
We got some grocery store sushi
We're amped up now.
along with some 4 for $5 sandwiches. So we got those.
Yep.
And now we're going down the wildlife loop road at Custer State Park.
So we just went to enter the park and asked the gate attendant where the buffalo are, and he said to turn right around and keep on going. Ooh! Wow!
That was only 2.
There's 1,400 of them in the park. Every fall they do a buffalo roundup, so all the cowboys and cowgirls round them up. And they sell off the ones that can't be sustained in the park with the amount of food that's available. We are getting close to them. Carm, are you excited to see them? You can see them. There's a bunch of cars up here stopped. Oh, look at the baby ones. Oh, they're cute. Oh my god, they're right here. Hey ladies. Oh, okay. Oh my god.
The big one.
Wow.
There's the little baby.
Oh, hi. Well, we figured out where they're all walking to.
Babies.
of the road. They're so cute. Oh. So Mike's just bought a fishing license for one day. So we're gonna go fishing and paddling.
Yeah.
Very excited. It's gonna be like 78 degrees today.
It'd be nice. Gonna get sunburned, catch some fish.
So Mike went fishing and I needed a little pick-me-up. So I made coffee and, oops, what the heck? And I made some eggy waffles with cheese, coleslaw mix without any dressing, some taco sauce, and sour cream. Karma's hanging out with me while Mike goes and tries to catch fish. Because I said he had to catch at least 2 or 3 fish to eat since we just spent like, I don't know, it was like $30-something on a one-day license thing. Yeah, but I got the paddleboard out. And I think we're we're at Horse Thief Lake right now. And I think we're gonna go to Sylvan, whichever, in Custer State Park in a bit. It's a lot cooler there to paddleboard, so I'm gonna save my effort with blowing it up and I'll do it there. How's it going?
It's going alright. A little slow for midday action.
It's pretty here though.
Yeah, it is. They were biting earlier.
It's gonna start pulling you. Nice. Here comes Mike and the first fish. Well, really second of the day. Rainbow trout. You're doing great. Look at that.
Nice rainbow. It's a dinner tonight. Nice rainbow.
Pretty decent.
Yeah. Be a good one.
I wonder if it's gonna come get a fish. Woohoo! We're eating good tonight.
Eating good tonight.
Yeah, Grandma?
Tay's out here trying her luck at fishing.
Got a little bit of rainbow and rice happening here. Pretty good.
Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode, which is us visiting Mount Rushmore and eating their famous ice cream.
It's good stuff.
It was fine. It was just expensive. Like, subscribe, maybe a little comment here or there.
Thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye.